So hey guys, welcome you all to the new video. Today what I'll be doing is I'll be riding this Xpulse 200 for around like 700 kilometers up and down. So I'll be checking the mileage test of this bike in long ride, as well as the how is the touring review of this bike. Okay, let's see the details of petrol and all. The tank has been made full tank. It is like 13 liters. 1000 rupees I paid for 13 liters, and the trip one has been set, and it is a road around like 25 kilometers. So let's see how much it gives for the full tank in the highway. So let's ride, guys. Okay, now we'll talk about the 100 kilometers long ride review for this. The seat comfortable is not so good. I will say this is okay like thing, because you feel like a pain in ass bit. So I'll not say this is much comfortable. I'll say this is okay comfortable. And the speed, about the vibrations of this machine, many people were asked about the vibrations in long ride. I was riding around like 90 to 99 kilometer within 100 kilometers per speed. I didn't feel any sort of vibrations or jerk in this machine. It was like really smooth as fuck. It was really a smooth machine. And above 100 kilometer if you go, you feel like a small jerk in this, and you feel like a vibrations and all. And the brakes and all works really great in this, and the riding posture is really good, you can see. And yeah, let's talk about the mileage now. Okay, now it's around like 177.6 kilometer. We started around like 28, I guess. Yeah, 28 kilometer. And the mileage it's giving, it's around like 55 kilometer to 60 kilometer, I guess. I didn't exactly check that, but it's confirmly it's giving like 55 to 60, and it's pakka, because it was recently serviced, and it's around like 3525 kilometer, 3525 kilometers, and last week it was serviced for first service. So this bike is giving around like mileage 55 to 60 in a highway, and is much okay with the speed limit like 90 kilometer per 90 kmpl mileage, and this bike is really great.